Today I'm going to be doing a review on these two Camaros. You might be thinking, what's the difference besides the color? And one's lowered and the other's not. One is stock and one has full bolt-ons. One has 45 rear wheel horsepower, 470 torque, and the other is bone stock. Can you guess which one's which?
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Alright, first we're going to be testing out the blue one. This is keyless entry, right?
Yeah.
Here's a little shot of the interior. Alright, today I'm going to be doing a review on a 2016 Camaro SS. This is bone stock. My friend just got it on a few weeks ago. What does he have? Got it used. It has 7,386 miles on it currently. Yeah, so we're just gonna give it a little review and see how it does. It's very friendly. It's pretty easy to drive. The clutch, the gas. Of course, the windows are very small compared to what I'm used to driving. I drive a 2017 STI, so this is definitely, I feel like I have some blind spots. Definitely feels like a Batmobile for sure. It's very easy to drive though. I guess with today's technology, which makes everything a lot simpler. We're definitely learning how to drive stick shift though. I feel like this is the gears go in very smooth, nice and short. Clutch is not hard at all. Downshift to third. I believe this rev matches for you. I'm gonna go down to second at 45. Nice little kick in second gear. Nice little second gear pull there, very nice and smooth. You can feel the power through the whole RPM there. There's no lag, nothing. It feels nice and smooth. Here I'm gonna do another little second gear pull. AC's off. It's in sports mode. Doing about 45. Even just city driving, the gears are smooth, right in. You feel no jolt or anything when shifting gears. Really smooth. Almost like the gear goes right into place wherever you're going. It feels nice and light. No effort needed to put it into any gear. The steering wheel feels light too, like as far as it takes minimal effort to turn it left and right. You notice that. Overall, the handling. Quick turn to the left. Switch lanes quickly. Handles very nice. Even switching lanes pretty quick. I mean, handles nice. Alright, next we're reviewing this one. Is this the one that's 485? Alright, now I'm reviewing the white Camaro SS. This one has 11,000 miles. Alright, so this one has a few bolt-ons on it. This one is going to be 485 wheel horsepower. Let's see what it can do. Same gearings, shift is still smooth, goes into gear very easily. The clutch, nice and soft, comfortable. Now this car is a little lowered, but honestly, it is a lot louder because it has headers, exhaust, full bolt-ons, so it's definitely a lot louder. It's on E85. What else does he have? Intake manifold, intake of course. Alright, here we're gonna get a little straightaway. Alright, so here we're gonna be going second. We got the second at 45. Definitely came a lot faster than expected. That was a second gear. That felt good. Alright, so some of the other features on this car. Let's see. Active rev match on. So this will rev match for you when you downshift. Let's try it out over here. That was not me at all. That was me just downshifting right there. So here we're going in a second. It just rev matches for you and you just turn. Alright, that's going to end the review for this car. That was definitely fast. We're going to end it on that note because there was a little bit of a scare there. So turned into the Plaza here. Definitely smooth ride, definitely feel the power. Still comfortable to ride though. All the power added, I mean, still rides smooth, still rides like stock with he has springs on it, wheels, bigger wheels, wider wheels, so but still rides fine, just like the stock. Hopped in the stock straight into this and I could just drive them both the same, like it was the same thing. So now, the 2017 STI do feel a lot higher. The steering is a lot stiffer now that I hopped out of those two cars. I almost thought I had like the e-brake on or something. It was just so much stiffer. You do have to get on the pedal a little higher or a little harder. This clutch, I feel like now that I'm starting to realize it, it's as soft as those. Just had it in intelligent mode. I didn't have it in sports mode in my car, and the steering felt like that. Now it's going to feel even stiffer with sports mode, sports plus, or sports pound. So the STI does not have rev matching like those cars. So I'm just going to do that now. It's not that hard. Just a little flick of the ankle, just the gas pedal while you're downshifting. That's all. Alright guys, thanks for checking out this video and checking out the channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on cars and just life videos, I guess. See you next time. Should I move my car or are you gonna go that way? Hey, wait, what's this, sports mode? How do I change it? Oh, mode up? Push S? It should be an S? Not track? The red match, yeah. So I turned rev match off, I'm like, fuck, rev match off. I was in neutral when I was passing him, but I was like, all right, rev match. Because then when I put it in gear, I was like, I was already braking when I saw him though. Like I was already done. I just did second pull, went to third, and then I let go, and then I was already braking when I saw him. I was like, oh shit.